Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. The best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. All right guys, so this is a 2024 lightly used Shadow Pro Series 2+1. This trailer is black in color. It is all aluminum. It is 6'9" wide, 7'6" tall. It does have the fully extruded sides on the lower half of the trailer. Kind of come around the front. It's got the stainless corner caps on the nose, spare tire. It does have a full escape door in the first box with a drop down window. It does have the drop down window at the head side of the 2-horse straight load portion in the back, and a big bus drop window on the tail side as well. It does have their graphics. This trailer was originally sold at National Trailer Source, so it does have their graphic on the nose and on the back. This side of the trailer doesn't have any scratches or any blemishes that I can note. Let me just make sure. You can see that drop down window now. It does have double back doors. I'm going to show you a blemish here on this back door. We've got a scratch here. Back and back off, you can kind of see it there. It does have a rear ramp. Load light. 2 slider windows in the rear back doors. That's a spring-loaded lightweight ramp as well. The 2-horse straight portion in the back. It's got the padded divider. It's got the chest and butt bars that are padded. It's fully lined and insulated. It has those 2 big bus drop windows. What I can say about this trailer is it's got a lot of airflow, a whole lot of airflow in this particular trailer. Your divider wall between your front box and your back 2-horse straight is airflow. You've got 2 drop windows in the head side, 2 roof vents above the 2 horses in the back box. You've got a removable head divider. Their Pro Series are really nice trailers, guys. Like, this is a super nice trailer. It does have the head bumpers in the back door threshold. This trailer has no issues on the inside. It's absolutely perfect. There's no scuffs, no scrapes, no dents, nothing like that on the inside of the horse box. I'll go around to go into the front box. I mean, if anything, there's a little bit of scuffs there on the lower part of the aluminum, but I mean, it's from shoes. It's very minimal. Stepping around to this side of the trailer, it does have a scratch here above the back door. It does have, I saw something. Wait a minute, let me back up. Oh, yeah, little dent right here, little dent and scratch right there. All these things are very, very minimal cosmetic, but I want to point those out. Now you can't see the drop window as well because I've got the Dutch door portion of the side ramp open. But it does have a spring-loaded side ramp. Stepping up into the front box, it does of course have that escape door with that window. It does have 2 roof vents above this box as well. Has the accordion door. I'm gonna actually I'm gonna do this accordion door for you. Folds back, so now you've got a completely open box. I kind of can see that accordion door folded back. Again, fully lined and insulated with roof vents. It does have the strap here go across your ramp door. This does have a dressing room. I'm going to go there next. The dressing room has a fixed step. And stepping in the dressing room, it's just a simple dressing room, 3 saddle racks, bridle hooks, carpeted deck, 2 windows in the nose, peg step up to that deck if you need to get up there. This actually worked pretty good. I have one. I actually have a 3-horse slant load Shadow 15 model. I was a dealer for them for many, many years. Great trailers. I enjoy them. And this is a good one. 2024 Shadow Pro Series. So fully lined and insulated, 6'9" wide, 7'6" tall, black in color. Let me make sure there's no more dings or anything on it that I haven't pointed out. On this side, I don't see anything really on the door. This is a lightly used trailer in absolutely excellent shape, guys. So this is Ashley. The best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. Y'all have a great day.